Hello children, today I will continue lesson agriculture and we will discuss the major crops which are grown in a country and which are rice. It is the staple food crop most of the population of our country, and India is the second largest producer after China, and it is a kharif crop which is grown in summer, and it requires high temperature, that is above 25 degrees Celsius, and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeter, and it grows in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and deltic regions, and it also grows in the areas where the rainfall is less. For example, the states are Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and the parts of Rajasthan, where it is possible with the developed system of canal irrigation and tube wells. Next crop is wheat. It is second most important cereal crop and the main food crop in the north and northwestern part of the country. It is a rabi crops. It grows in winter season and requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening, and it requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall. And the two important wheat growing zones in the country are the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan, and major states where it grows are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan. Next is the millets. Now these millets are known as coarse grains. For example, jowar, bajra and ragi. And these millets, they have very high nutritional value. For example, ragi, which is rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and roughage, and it is a crop of dry seasons and grows well on red, black, loamy, sandy and shallow black soils in the state of Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. The jowar, which is the third most important food crop, it is a rain-fed crop grown in the moist areas which hardly needs irrigation, and the states known for the production of jowar are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Next millet is bajra. It grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soils and in the states of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Now next crop is maize. It is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop and requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in the old alluvial soil. But in Bihar, it is grown in the Rabi season. Also, production in this maize has increased due to the use of high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers, irrigation. And the states for production of maize are Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Next is the pulses. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world, and these pulses are major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. The major pulses are tur, urd, moong, masoor, peas and gram. These crops need less moisture and survive even in the dry conditions. So being leguminous crops, all the crops except arhar help in restoring the soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Therefore, these are mostly grown in rotation with the other crops. And the states known for production of pulses are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. Now other than these crops, food crops, there are, which are the crops are sugarcane. Now what is the geographical condition required? Now it is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop, and it grows well in the hot and humid climate, and the temperature required is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and it is an annual rainfall between 75 to 100 centimeter. It grows well on the soils, variety of soils, and needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. India stands second largest producer after the Brazil. Now this is sugarcane is the main source of good, that is jaggery, sugar, khandasari and molasses. So major states for the production of sugarcane are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Oilseeds. In the year 2016, India was second largest producer of groundnuts after China. And in rapeseed, India was third largest producer after Canada and China. Different oil seeds which are grown covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area of the country. Main oil seeds are groundnut, mustard, tel, that is sesame, coconut, soya beans, cotton seeds, linseed and sunflower. Most of these are edible and used as cooking mediums, and some of these are used as raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics and ointments. Now these were other than these the major crops which are tea, coffee and the non-food crops, rubber and the fiber crops, cotton and jute. I will continue in the next video. Thank you. Stay blessed.